Hello subscribers, welcome to Touch the Clutch. I'm Terry, Igor's behind the camera. Today we'll be working on this forgotten BMW that we haven't showed on the channel because we've been just busy with so many things. So little story, I installed coilovers, but it actually wasn't me. I just paid someone to install coilovers. They're BC Racing coilovers. But today, that's not what the video is about. I'm not gonna obviously show the coilovers because it wasn't me who installed them. I have Sparco bucket seats. They're just Sparco R100s that I'll be installing in this car. I only have the one because I got a really good deal on Marketplace, and then after I got that good deal on Marketplace, I ordered another one, but it's gonna come in like 2 weeks. However, I am coating the car tomorrow because once you install bucket seats, the side airbags in the seat need to be coated out. Otherwise, you'll have a airbag light. So I'm just installing one seat today, but I'm taking out two. So it's gonna be like a full-on race car, just literally one seat, no passenger seat, just for coating. But yeah, let's get to it.
You have good clearances
To this Porsche. Oh shit. Okay, so this is the seat.
You're carrying it like a child.
I'm father material.
I like your toolbox.
Yeah, this is my toolbox whenever I'm on tour. I actually have a nice toolbox at work, but like obviously I can't take it with me. To take out the seats, all you need theoretically is a T50. That's all. I'll show you how it's done. Two T50s, one here, one obviously on the other side.
It's quick.
Yeah. Then you pull it forward. Do this. Two on the back.
Is that it?
And that is all. Now you just pull the seat back, and then if you come closer, if you just so you can see, there's a connector here. So you push this in, and then you just slide it this way. Boom, done.
Crazy.
Little tip: take out the headrest,
Nice.
and it will be much easier.
Scratch your thing.
What the fuck? Yo, there's some questionable garbage there.
Hey, yo.
Are those anal beads? What the fuck? Who's freaking... Actually, we know whose these are. We know exactly whose these are. And we got a cigarette.
Free one? Is it still usable?
It's still usable. But yo, this is crazy. But yeah, that's how easy it is to take out the seat. That's all.
So what's the story?
So every time we work on our cars, like especially here, like in this spot, we always start, and like I'm sure if you actually watch our videos, we always start during the day, and then like halfway through the video it's just dark. That's because we always forget something, and this time this is what we forgot. So I undid the seat belt, right, and this is the hole for the bolt to go through, but here on the actual seat there's thread.
Oh, but look, if the thread is so thin, I wouldn't be concerned about putting like a weak bolt because like,
Yeah, but this is hardened steel also.
yeah, but like look how thin it is. So like just put a big bolt. That's it, you'll be fine.
But yeah, see, there's no thread here, so, and this is where we gotta put the seat belt. So we're now on our way to Home Depot to buy some bolts. So after a little trip to Home Depot, we got some bolts. So for the seats, here I'll show you what we mean. You're supposed to reuse these BMW ones, right? Because they're OEM, they're hardened steel. But if you look, you can't physically like screw it in because you're like, if you put it here, where are you gonna put the torque spring? You can't. And it's like that on each side. So what I did, I bought some, these are just regular metric M10. I bought regular ones because I'm gonna order hardened steel because Home Depot didn't have hardened steel. So I just got regular M10 that I'm just gonna screw in with like a wrench. Yeah, drive around like maybe a day or two. I'm gonna order them, maybe go to like a hardware store tomorrow. Yeah. Igor made a very good point that I didn't have to take out the seats. I should have just unplugged them and then I could have coated it out and still had the seats. So I didn't have to do any of this. I don't know why I didn't think of that. But yeah, I'm gonna only install this seat and I'm not gonna take out that seat. I'll just unplug it. Oh, I almost got it. Come on.
He's pulling something out that I have no clue what he's pulling out.
So this is just this is the seat belt where you put it in the seat belt. And I still need the connector to connect it into the harness in the car. I mean, theoretically, I can just get the guy to coat it out and not worry about it, but I still want the seatbelt worn in and stuff.
You wanna cut it?
I don't know, probably not. Should be okay.
I feel like your seat might rub the bolt, or it's gonna rub the fabric in the car.
Dude.
I thought it's way thinner.
Yo, that's actually perfect. Thank God.
Because we wanted to get a thinner bolt, like not.
Oh, I should have gotten washers because it's gonna.
I have washers.
It might unscrew itself. Okay.
No, but this is just temp.
Yeah, should be a 14. Perfect.
I like your rail.
Thank you. God, this is so annoying. Like, all my tools are just like everywhere. Wait, should it? Oh, wait. Stupid. It should be the other way. This way. There we go. What is this for?
I think it's like
Airbag? No, there's no airbag there. Oh, yeah, I think it just holds the cable. I don't care what it is. Whatever. So yeah, use proper hardware.
use this only when you're selling the car.
Pretty much. That'll be fine. Whatever. Now, actually, you know what? I'm gonna undo this.
Why?
Because I'm gonna put the seat on first, and then we'll do it. So now we take
That one? Wow. Usability. We have lights.
Huh?
You can turn on the lights.
It's okay. Where are the? There you
Other way.
Yeah, I can't quite remember how I did this.
I need light.
Oh, I remember now. Are they the same? No. They are now, right? Well, I guess we'll see if the holes line up. And then I'm pretty sure.
But see, now it's gonna be hard for you to put that bolt in, no? If you put the seat.
Yeah?
I think so. Try it. Like, dry fit it. Oh no, you can still put it.
Still do it?
Yeah.
Perfect.
Which is good.
Is
because
this
then
is this gonna get scratched?
No, it's fine.
Also, always remember that nylocks you cannot reuse. You always gotta get new ones. So if you take it off something, always get new ones. Because once they get old, they're no bueno.
Or are you gonna change all this again?
Well, like after like 2 days, like it's still fine. But after like a year, you definitely should change it. Like at work, I always change the locks. Okay.
You change women faster than you change dialogues.
Bro. Fair. That was a good one. That was a good one.
This pillow? I don't understand.
What was the size? 14.
But
One set.
I think you should. How do you want? Sit down and like make this like adjust this as you want to.
I mean, it doesn't really matter. It's not gonna touch me. Okay. But like this, yeah, straight would be just perfect. Where is it? Okay, like that. Cute. Just hold the wrench. Bro, this is a fucking 3-arm shit.
Yeah, I feel it.
That's fine.
I wasn't holding it.
That's fine. Because it's a locking nut, so.
Yeah.
Look at that, perfect. Can you see that? It's perfect.
You're gonna change it, right?
Maybe. We'll see. We got the seat. Igorko gonna put it in.
Oh.
It's kind of scary when it's not your car, right?
Yeah. I don't know if this was the move.
Yeah, this wasn't the move. You're supposed to go headrest first. You want me to do it? Oh wow, you got it. Quicksilver.
What? What?
Okay, that's okay. I have to connect the connector first.
Already dark. As always. So what do you think?
I don't know. I like it. It's definitely weird. Like, I'm very not used to this.
It's a race seat. That's what it is.
Yeah. Like I'm still trying to figure out my like position. Okay, yeah, I think this is the position.
Let's go for a drive.
Actually, we'll go to a gas station. I gotta get some gas.
It's pretty dark, to be honest. Cannot see anything. Ooh. So
Nice.
you have a race seat now.
Well, it's like a street seat. Look at all these faults. Restraint system.
Well, we can fix 2 of them pretty quick.
Oh wait. Ah, see, so it works. The seatbelt works.
Yay.
We're good with the seatbelt. Okay, yeah, definitely this like this. What is this called?
Fabric?
No, like this like part of the seat. The thing that retracts here.
I don't know. Why?
Whatever this is, like it's definitely like slightly in the way of me clutching in. I wish the seat was tilted a bit more this way.
Just add
Is this
washers.
removable? No, it's not.
You need to add washers.
I'm sure I'll like get used to it. Also, I am definitely sitting higher.
But like, bad higher or acceptable higher?
Acceptable.
First feeling?
Pretty good. I don't know, like I feel the same for now.
You'll feel it like on corners and stuff.
Yeah. Well, I definitely feel like more in the seat. You know what I mean? Like the seat is like holding me now. Before it was like, it's good. You hear that?
Yeah. Well,
Rub me.
low life. Hashtag. Okay, give me that range.
Oh, definitely holds me.
Dude, we
That's
should do a
nice.
GoPro mount with like a wrench.
That'd be sick. Yeah, I definitely like this. Like, this is cool. And plus it looks so nice. Like, if I'm ever at a car show, I can just like lower my windows. The fact that this says like Sparco just looks nice, you know. It's not just,
You can barely see it on camera, but yes.
so it's not just usability, but it's also aesthetics. Like, it is gonna look really nice. And it feels more sporty.
Well, it is.
Like, regular people won't understand why, like, why I like just a car that's so stiff, because it's uncomfortable, right? And like, this seat is not very comfortable either. Like, the other one was obviously more comfortable, but I don't know, I obviously like this way more.
You would feel it on the track.
Yeah.
So on the track, like, you just slide around like crazy, and this just actually keeps you planted. That's where the biggest difference is.
Bro, this fucking car. Yeah, this is pretty awesome.
So that's it?
Yeah, that's it for this video. I will be installing the second one as soon as it comes. I think it's like 2 more weeks till it comes, because we are in Canada and everything has to be ordered from our lovely neighbor, Joe Biden. Take me out to dinner. But yeah, I'll be installing it, but obviously I'm not gonna show it because no point. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Maybe you learned something. Maybe you just stayed to see if I fuck up. I didn't. Please subscribe.